It was a real pleasure and honor to conduct an online course for the Association of World Election Measurement Bodies on disinformation during elections and ways to tackle it on 23rd of October. I hope that my recommendations in how to tackle this issue will be useful for the EMBs, and obviously I will stand ready to assist in any way. My organization, Memo 98, has focused on the issue of social media and disinformation during elections, particularly the impact on electoral integrity. I stand ready to assist, to provide any further follow-up trainings. But again, it was really a pleasure.